In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, inventory management is a constant struggle. Overstocking costs money, understocking means lost sales. But what if you could predict inventory needs before they become a problem? That's where big data and predictive analytics come in. For small and medium manufacturers, managing inventory is no small task. Overstocking leads to high storage costs, while understocking means missed sales. It's a balancing act that can be tricky, but with big data and predictive analytics, you can forecast demand and optimize your stock levels before the issues even happen. Big data collects a huge amount of information, everything from past sales, customer behavior, supply chain logistics, and even external factors like weather. Then, predictive analytics uses this data to forecast demand trends and help you decide exactly when to reorder, how much to order, and when to slow down. Imagine a small furniture manufacturer in Malaysia. By using big data and predictive analytics, they can track demand, adjust inventory levels, and ensure they never run out of stock or overorder. This helps save money and boost efficiency. Now, how do ERP, MES, and WMS fit into the picture? These systems gather and organize all your data, ensuring that every department, from sales to production to warehousing, is on the same page. They work seamlessly with big data and predictive analytics to turn insights into action, optimizing everything from production scheduling to inventory management. By using big data and predictive analytics, manufacturers can optimize inventory management, avoid costly errors, and improve efficiency. Make data your ally for a smarter, more profitable future.